Welcome to the 10th Annual Grand Design National Owners Rally.
Let me tell you, this thing is a blast. There are RVers from all over the country that gather here. They bring with them their beautiful Grand Design rigs.
Like ours. Yeah, so this is our third national rally, and we really look forward to it all year. It's so refreshing to be around so many like-minded people all in one place.
It really is. This event never gets old. We always look forward to seeing our friends from prior rallies that we don't usually get to see otherwise.
Oh, and the food. Let me tell you, you don't have to worry about cooking the whole time you're there.
From informative workshops to fun activities, there's something for everyone.
And we can't forget, when you register for the rally, you get 3 repair tickets. With these tickets, you're entitled to 3 repairs that can be completed on site. An example of a few repairs we've had done during the rally, we had our countertop replaced. There was a crack behind the stove. They replaced that last year's rally. We had a broken electrical outlet. They replaced that as well. This year we had a piece of molding that was loose, and they came by and just reattached that for us. We've had actually several really good repairs done while we're on site.
We started our week at the Shipshewana South Campground, right in the middle of town. It has over 150 sites with city water, sewer, and 50 amp electricity. The Wi-Fi signal was great also, and we backed right up to a pasture full of draft horses. We watched them work the horses every evening. And we can't forget the shops around us. There was the Amish grocery store, buggy shops, woodworking shops, and seeing the horse and buggies riding up the road all week was very cool. On Friday, we moved to the Elkhart County 4-H Fairgrounds in Goshen. Let the rally begin. Let's check out some of the highlights.
There were so many fun activities, from games to wine tastings and cookouts.
We've got our Grand Design folks over here.
We got to see the latest Grand Design models, including Lineage, the new motorhome. This is a great time to get any of those much needed parts or services you might have been putting off. So make sure you check out the parts and services operation, and you can pick up any items you may have been yearning for during the year at the vendor services area. And don't forget about Crafters Row, where you can find all kinds of handcrafted items for sale. On Sunday evening, set against the backdrop of a beautiful Indiana sky, we all turned on our outside lights for a nighttime photo. It looked so cool with everybody's lights on. Monday night was casino night. This is always one of our favorite events. We look forward to it every year.
As we mentioned earlier, this is also a time when we reconnect with friends from previous years, catching up and sharing stories. On Tuesday, we were invited to a fish fry with some friends we've made over the last couple years. This year was particularly memorable because it rained like crazy. However, that did not deter our chef, Mike Little. He braved that pouring monsoon and finished our dinner. Way to go, Mike.
By the way, the fish was amazing.
Yeah, it was.
That's Mike. Fish fry in the rain.
He is hardcore.
The rest of us doing while Mike is
We're eating like fish.
Everybody is piled in under this tent. There are so many seminars to help educate us on the RV lifestyle. There's seminars on RV planning, seminars to help educate owners on the steps to going full-time in their rig. You've got technical seminars that cover suspension and brakes, leveling systems, all the way to solar energy systems with lithium batteries. There's even self-help seminars to help you realign and know you aren't in this alone.
In the evenings, we would all come together with about 1,500 of our closest friends and have dinner. Some evenings it was more relaxed, and other evenings it was more of a dining experience. On Wednesday evening, we had a community fireside chat with Don Clark, and he addressed issues that had come up through the year, solutions to problems, and invited us all to come up to the mic and give our stories of what our Grand Design rigs meant to us.
About your experiences and the cool places that you travel, how you use our coaches.
There are so many people here, you never know who you're going to run into.
Hey guys, look who I met up here.
Hey, this is Mike from the Campaholics. Make sure you follow Steve Miller here on Ramblin' Reflections.
Ran into another fellow YouTuber, Fairwinds RV, Candace, and her husband Jeremy. As the week winds down, you find yourself dreading the end. You know, there are some friends that you won't see until next year. Then again, there are other friends you may never ever see again. But either way, it's kind of a bummer. But hey, at least you got the opportunity to meet them in the first place. Reality hits when the SRT teams start parading around in their golf carts, marking the official end of all service repairs. You know it's officially the last day of the rally.
Thank you, guys.
There's still events planned for the evening and a really nice dinner, but everyone is already looking forward to next year.
Festivities on the last night include farewell dinner with closing remarks and recognition. Don Clark, Jerry McCarthy, and the Grand Design leadership team recognize the people who put the rally on and all the volunteers. The service team and their families enter and are honored with a standing ovation for all the work they did during the week, and we honor them by letting them be first to be served for dinner.
You know, we need to see your people folks that come in every single day, knowing they're going to want to be ahead, always had a smile. That just shows you the passion that we have for our customers and how much we care about you personally.
Hey, Valerie.
There were over 200 core volunteers, and they were all recognized as well.
Oh my gosh, thank you. What an exciting event, right? We all had fun? Oh, every year, living through, of course. I'm getting on video. All the people that volunteered to have fun, please stand up, please. I know you work really hard. I know it's not easy, but it's fun.
Because the rally falls on the week before Labor Day, we usually just stick around at the Fairgrounds until Monday. That way we avoid the traffic going out and also the traffic over the holiday weekend, and it makes it easier for us to get a good spot further on down when we do leave.
They always have buggy races that weekend, so we watch some of that and we get our last fill of Amish cooking while we're in the area.
Not a bad way to end the rally. Hey, and did you know we're only a week out from our 1-year anniversary of the YouTube channel?
We're going to try and have a year in review video next week and maybe give you a glimpse of a little bit of what to expect in season 2. We've got a few projects on the horizon, another Meet the Makers episode I think you'll find really interesting. If you want to know more about that, make sure you tune in next week for that video, okay? We finally surpassed our 500 subscribers mark, and we did it by the end of September, which was our goal. So thank you to everyone who subscribed this year. Next goal, let's make it to the 1,000 subscribers mark in season 2.
If you like what we've been doing, please give us a thumbs up. And if you just found our channel, hit that subscribe button.
We say this every week, guys, but leave us a comment in the comment section below. The more you interact with us, the more YouTube will push out our videos.
Well, it looks like that's going to wrap up this week's video. I hope you enjoyed that review at the National Rally. Maybe we'll see you there next year.
Till next week, guys, stay safe out there.
Keep rambling, guys.
Here we go again. Maybe we'll see you there next. You get 3 repair tickets. With these tickets, hope you enjoyed that review at the National Rally.
All the way to solar energy systems and lithium battery. That section below. The more interaction. My tongue literally got stuck. If you realign and know you aren't in this tongue.
We usually avoid most of the travel track.
Till next week. What's it doing? You know, there are some friends that you may never see again. Doggone it.
Because the rally falls on the week before Memorial Day, that's not the right. Wait, a lot of the traffic going in and out, and also